Hey, what's up guys, Marcos here, and today I'm going to do a little unboxing of well, you'll see, because I haven't really unboxed this and I don't actually remember what it was. So let's open this up. Let's see what we got here. Well, that doesn't really tell me much, does it? Alright, just kidding. Yes, it does. This guy right here is going to help me kind of stabilize my camera a little bit more. I noticed that when I'm holding my camera, I tend to... Let me grab another camera. Alright, so when I'm holding my camera and I'm like trying to do, especially like a low shot, I'm usually kind of like doing this, something like that, and I kind of want to not do that. So what I did was I got this guy right here, and this is the, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but it's UU Rig. I got it on Amazon. I will link the description below. Let me pop this guy out. Alright, so this is it right here. I will zoom into it in a bit, do a little bit of B-roll. And pretty much, ooh, nice. Has a little spring on top. So far, first impressions, it's going to be kind of nice. I'm going to be mounting it on my camera like so. And what I like about this guy is actually now when I'm filming, I can just kind of hold in and kind of do this motion instead of kind of, which is still pretty good, but I feel like this is the motion that I want to do, especially for those really low shots where you're like really low to the ground. Just kind of want to swipe across. I don't want to have my hands and I'm just like, you know what I mean? This really weird angle. But yeah, so this is the guy right here. So it's the UU Rig, and it has a bunch of threaded holes. I'll have to look over I'll probably put a overlay on all the different thread types that it has. But also what I like about this guy is that we have actually three cold shoe mounts. So that is pretty cool to have that versatility when you're filming. So I can just grab, have a monitor up here, have the mic on the side, and I'm good to go, you know? Just grab. This is actually way nicer to grab and just hold rather than just holding the body all the time. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna enjoy using this, and hopefully I'll probably make a video of me using it and why I would use it like this instead of handheld. This is the UU Rig top camera handle. Bolts onto the cold shoe or the hot shoe on your camera, and this is what it looks like.